So I don't think if I had to go back, and I have children now at the age of 18 and 21, if I were to go and tell them that, look, you don't need money and why do you need money, they might just stare at me. So I guess I'm
No,
learning something right
it is
now.
not that way. We need money in certain area, and we don't need money in certain area. When they are teenagers, they don't require. According to me, when they are teenagers, they don't require. I always ask them, okay, what do you want? You give me the list. Pen, pencil, book, whatever you want. Give me the list. I will buy. Or I'll come with you, you buy, I'll pay the bill. Why do you want money, for what reason? Or if I give 10 rupees, I will ask receipt for everything. Because money is a double-edged sword in life. And when you are a teenager and your parents are well off, my both children used to tell, press writes that I own this much, you own this much. In real life, not even 10 rupees. Before 18, I never gave. I said, tell me what do you want? You want dress? Okay, I will come with you. Give me a reason why do you need independent money, for what reason? When you cannot explain that to your parents, that means it's not a correct way. That's my argument. Money is required. I don't say money is not required. Money is required to buy a house, medical expenses, your education, you want to travel. But how much you require, that is left to you. For someone, 1 crore is too much. For somebody, 10 crore is much less. For someone, 100 crore may not be sufficient. For someone, 1,000 crore is probably it's too small amount. How much you require, and how much you should own, how much you should keep, and what is excess, is everybody's answer is different. So I will never say money is not important. Your answer is important to you. I was working near Swami Malai in Tamil Nadu about 20 years back, and it was pouring actually one night, It started pouring, and normally when it starts pouring, your car gets stuck. I have always seen that one, including in the movie. Okay. My car got stuck. And my driver told, you stay in there. There's a nearby temple, you go and stay there. I will get it repaired and I come. And I went there. There was not any hero there. There was a blind man. A blind was there and his wife. A blind Archaka and his wife. A blind Pandit and his wife were staying. And he gave me a big lesson in life. I felt bad for him. He's an old man, 80 years, no money. I put 100 rupees and he touched he did Aarti and he told me, this is too much money. I said, no, sir. You give me your name and name. I will send you 20,000 rupees. It may be useful to you in life because you are old, both of you are old. He said, beta, I don't know who you are, but I want to tell you something in life. Don't ever do this mistake. I said, is it not good to give money? He said, no. If you give money, it is a headache to me because all these days, the villagers look after me. The moment you give 20,000, I put it in a bank or a post, then people would I should die one day and they should get the money. They don't even help. What Lord has given is more than enough. Beta, please remember, in life you have to draw. Enough is enough. And that drawing a line is left to you. And that's the reason I tell everyone, how much you want. I'm not sitting here and telling you 20,000 is enough, 2 lakhs is enough, 20 crore is enough. No, I don't have any right. You are the one which is enough, which is more, and which you do not want more than that. You decide that.
Thank you so much.